devilfish. We can see how it is going to be prepared. There is a sauce also coming into that, and not only that, with noodles or rice we can serve. So it's going to be delicious if you really think of how it could be prepared, this devilfish Szechuan style. So we will go and see how it's going to be prepared now. Now we have taken the fish, white fish I have taken, cut into small pieces. Small pieces I have cut. Now I am going to marinate in soy sauce. 1 dessert spoon of soy sauce I am putting, and I am going to use a little chili powder. We said hot, so about half a teaspoon of chili powder also I put, and I need a little salt, turmeric. Mix all this together. Some of course they use egg white also, but I am not using egg white here because I am going to boil this for a while. Then I am going to deep fry. So we will see how we are going to do this. Marinate and kept at least for half an hour, and then you take this and we are going to boil it. Since we have put soy sauce, chili powder, salt, turmeric, all that we have put now, so we will add a wee bit of, not a lot, a bit of water, and then we will boil this for a while. Now what I am doing here, only a little bit of water I put. Even without water it's okay because we put the soy sauce, no, so that itself will make it more watery. Since when I am going to deep fry, what will happen? All the seasoning will go off if I don't boil and then cook. And the seasoning has to go into the fish. Seasoning has to go into the fish. All this liquid has to evaporate. You can't have fish without bones, no? There will be bones, but not lot of bones. After offing, see what I am going to do is, I will take this out and keep this aside. We will keep this aside. We will add the fish. We have to fry this. Since we boiled it, you know, there is a little water in it, so you can see it splashes out a little. The fish is tasty when it's deep fried, so we won't straight away deep fry adding the seasoning, but we have already boiled it and then only we are deep frying. Okay, see, we have nicely deep fried. Now we have to make like a small sauce. So we will see how the sauce is done. Fish is fried and we have taken it out. Now I will warm the pan and put fresh oil, about a tablespoon of oil, and see what are the ingredients that I am going to use here. Shredded onions, ginger and shredded garlic, and we need the curry leaves also. Curry leaves, generally you have to just crush it or break it up so the flavor will come. While we temper, we add a little bit of salt. There are some ingredients which I am going to use here. A dessert spoon of sesame oil. Then I will use a teaspoon of vinegar. Dark soy sauce. Tomato sauce. All that we have done. Now see how we have used. The gravy which was there with the fish. A bit of Now what I am going to do is, I'll put the fish. The fish is fried, boiled and fried fish. Last of all, I have offed it, a little sugar. This is the fish in hot sauce, Szechuan style. I think we will enjoy preparing this. We can serve if you want with noodles or with rice, plain rice, plain noodles. It will be really nice. So we can have it like this with the fish. This is the Szechuan style. It's nice to serve like this, and I hope you will enjoy preparing these type of preparation. With noodles, with rice, you can serve. Devil fish with Thai style, actually Szechuan Thai style, and we can see how this is prepared, and of course it's very tasty. When you see the taste of it, straight away never deep fry the fish. It has to be boiled first with all the seasoning what we have given you, and after that only soy sauce and a little chili powder I have put, and then we nicely boil it with a little bit of water, or no water even, doesn't matter. We can boil it and then we deep fry. See how it comes. Noodles or with the plain rice you can serve. Dinner time, lunch time you can have it. So you try this and see how it comes. These type of preparations are really nice, something different to the normal preparation. We don't have to go out and have a meal. You can have it at home, and the children, the family will be happy. So we will make it and see how it comes. Next week with another episode, I will see you soon. Bye from me now.